Everybody, it's pretty easy to have a love-hate relationship with Amazon.com. You gotta love the free 2-day shipping and sometimes free same-day shipping that comes with Amazon Prime. However, you also have to hate the deceptive practices that Amazon has with selling Prime subscriptions and other miscellaneous things. Well, another thing I can't stand is in the past year or so, I think it's the past year, sometime around a year or two ago, Amazon started handling delivery of their own packages. You know, instead of using the United States Postal Service, FedEx, or UPS to deliver packages, they started taking it upon themselves to do this matter. And you would expect that when, just say you're Amazon, for example, and you take matters in your own hands to deliver packages for your customers, that you would go beyond the standard of, let's say, what you would expect from a delivery company like UPS. Here I had this signage on my front door, screen door. Now this was printed up before Amazon actually started doing their own package delivery. But just read that carefully. Attention, USPS, FedEx, UPS, please do not leave packages on front step. Open the screen door and drop off packages on this covered porch. Certainly you wouldn't want your package to be left in the open, begging to be stolen, where everybody driving by could see it. Neither do I. Thank you. I mean, this is really, I mean, I'm serious about it, because there are certain things I tend to order that I don't like having out in the open. For example, you know, of course, I do computer repair and I build computers occasionally, so it's not uncommon for me to go on Amazon or Newegg.com or eBay and order parts. Some of these parts costing several $100s just for a single order. And another thing I tend to buy, if it ain't computer stuff, of course, I occasionally buy baked goods off of Etsy. And sometimes eBay. You know, there's actually people out there who bake and ship baked goods, and you might be thinking, why in the world would you eat something that somebody else made? But think about it. You do it almost every time you go to a restaurant. Okay, that's a different story for another day. But anyways, there's two things I commonly order. One thing is computer parts that can be pretty expensive. Another thing would be those perishable baked goods. Neither of which I want to have out in the open. So, I had this signage here. I put it here originally because I was having some issues with USPS substitute mail carriers and some UPS drivers just leaving packages out on this front step. There is a no trespassing sign on this porch, but open the screen door and you have all this area to where you can set packages where they would remain dry and not seen from the road. But no, you have a lot of, at least I've had a lot of instances where substitute mail carriers for the USPS and some UPS drivers just freaking leave packages right out on the step, which is very well visible from this street out here. So package theft is a big concern. But also, what if it comes a thunderstorm while I'm at work and everything gets soaking wet? That's not good. Ever since I put this signage out, I've had much less of a problem out of USPS substitute carriers and some UPS drivers just randomly leaving packages on the front step. Now, believe it or not, there are some who still have done it, but it hasn't happened nearly as much. But in the past, if I would have liked to get something on Amazon next day shipped, a lot of times LaserShip would be the person in charge or the company in charge of delivering it. And I've had numerous problems with LaserShip just completely ignoring the signage and leaving packages on the front step. So you think that's bad? Well, get this. This package here Now, of course, I brought it back outside and placed it right where it was at when I got home the day it was delivered. Amazon Logistics delivered this package right here. This package has about $160 worth of memory in it. Luckily, Mother Nature cooperated and didn't storm on us that day. It was delivered, I guess, sometime in the morning. I didn't get home till 9 o'clock that evening. Okay, quick correction. It was actually delivered Tuesday, not Wednesday. So I got home a little bit earlier, but still, I got home at like, 7:30 in that evening. So the package still sat outside for quite some time. And again, luckily, we didn't get a thunderstorm here that afternoon. So it sat out all day. And people driving by could see it, clear as day. And there have been package thefts going on in other parts of this town. And now get this. I called Amazon about it yesterday. Because when you spend now $120 freaking dollars on Prime every year, you would expect more than you would expect a better standard than this. And another thing about Amazon that kind of gets on my nerves, and it's not necessarily the fault of the representatives that are working for Amazon, but the past several times that I have called Amazon's customer support, I was connected with somebody who had either had a very strong accent, had their headset adjusted way wrong, or for whatever reason, they were really difficult to understand. Or they had a hard time understanding me. But anyways, I got transferred to Amazon Logistics, and here's something I found rather interesting. Amazon Logistics drivers, when they deliver your packages, they snap a photo of the package where they deliver it. The supervisor I spoke with over the phone, I mentioned it's like, $160 worth of RAM got delivered to this front step when I have signage specifically saying, please do not leave packages on front step. He got to see the photo, and he was able to, before I even finished reading him the sign, he's like, yeah, I see it in this photo. Yeah, so he got to see the signage right there, clear as day. And you saw that their driver just left the package right in the open. Again, is that the standard that we expect from Amazon when you're spending $120 a year on Prime service? I mean, it's ridiculous. Absolutely freaking ridiculous. Well, I will say that the guy on the phone was he understood my concern, and he mentioned that after seeing this, well, that driver is going to be going for some coaching. I'm not the kind of person who wants to get somebody in trouble, but come on now. How hard is this? I mean, lay a package here when you could just have a package in hand. Something like that, Now get this. I mentioned that I occasionally order baked goods on Etsy and sometimes eBay. Usually it's quick bread, sometimes cookies. It really depends. Yes, I'm a big fan of pumpkin bread and zucchini bread. So during the summertime, last year I had an issue with ants getting into my packages. So what I did is I started leaving out a cooler with ice packs. Also, I use the cooler as a means of hiding the package. And I think it's a good way to actually hide packages from the open, I think. So originally I started using this cooler for delivery of packages with perishables, but get this. The parts I ordered, the RAM came from Amazon, but the rest of the components came from Newegg.com and eBay. So the stuff from Newegg.com was delivered by FedEx, and the stuff from eBay was delivered by, again, USPS. Now, my regular mail carrier, she's aware of what I typically order, and she knows about the cooler. Now get this, not only did she put that package in this cooler, even though it wasn't even a perishable item. FedEx. First time FedEx had ever been here since I had the cooler put out. Not only did they put it on the porch, but they also put it in the cooler, which I found to be a very nice gesture. So again, now I have my address marked out, but this is clearly an Amazon Logistics delivery. Now Amazon, if you consider you're going up on Prime, or you've already gone up on Prime, from the already ridiculous price of $99 a year to $119 a year now. Is this your standard for package delivery? To outright ignore a simple request noted on the door to not leave packages on front step? Really? Is that too much to ask? So yeah, with Amazon.com, you gotta love the vast selection of items. You gotta love the free 2-day shipping with Amazon Prime, and the 1-day shipping. Well, that's when they freaking put the package on this, on the covered porch when you have signage requesting them to do so. But you gotta hate again the fact that some of their drivers really just don't give a crap, and the fact that Amazon Prime just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. Geez, I remember back when it was like, what, $79 a year? Then it went up to $99 a year. Now it's $119 a year. And on top of that, when you enroll, if you accidentally, or not accidentally, but if you click Start Now on the main Amazon.com page, now I did a video about this a while back, they automatically bill your default payment and enroll you in the monthly service, which also has gone up now. I forget exactly how much it costs now, but yeah. When it comes to Prime subscriptions, it's like a freaking car dealership. They'll sell you whatever they can, upsell you, or just secretly bill you for something, yeah. And I told the guy on the phone, I said, I am this freaking close to just canceling Amazon Prime altogether. Because honestly, I ordered this memory last week, and I ordered a fisheye lens for one of my weather case cameras for CubeComp MVDX. But I had, other than that, I haven't placed an Amazon order in probably 2 months. I've been ordering more stuff. I'll wait. Freaking airplanes. Can't make a freaking video. Oh, where was I? Oh yes, that's right. I've been ordering more stuff off of eBay as of recent. I mean, think about it. With USPS Priority Mail, generally the standard is 2 days. And let's say I don't order all that much stuff. Amazon Prime just isn't worth it to me. Now, the thing about Amazon Prime is they started including video and all this other stuff. All these perks of having Amazon Prime. When it used to be, it was just 2-day shipping. Why the heck do they not have an Amazon Prime Lite? Just a version of Prime that offers what it originally offered, was pretty much just the 2-day shipping, the free 2-day shipping. I mean, $120 a year, what next? $149.99? $169.99? $199.99? $249.99? Mark my words, in about 10 years, there'll probably be more than that. So yeah, I'm getting pretty fed up with Amazon. I'm being honest with you. I've already canceled the subscription to not renew. Once I've canceled the auto renew. I still have active Amazon Prime, but it's not going to bill my credit card when it comes time for renewal. I'll make that decision when that time comes. So yeah, Amazon, you need to get with it. I mean, I'm getting sick and tired of this mess. You're going up on the, oh, look at there. Like I say, can't make a dang video. So Amazon, you really need to get with it. I mean, some of your customer service reps, you can't understand them. Your Prime service keeps going up and up and up. And you seem to keep bundling more stuff into that Prime subscription, which, of course, yeah, will eventually inflate the price of it. You don't offer a stripped-down light version of the Prime service. Your logistics drivers apparently half of them don't give a crap about their job, or just don't give a crap about the packages. I mean, I'm getting tired of it. I'm getting sick and tired of it. And speaking of which, there's the image the driver took. Imagine he's going to be in for a huge embarrassment when he gets called into a supervisor's office to look at that. Yeah. I mean, come on. It's going to have to be embarrassing for him. Clearly there's a sign right there that says, "Do not leave packages on front step." And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to send this picture just to show proof that I can't read, or I really don't give a crap about my job, or I really don't give a crap about my customers. Yeah, good job, Amazon. Good freaking job. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little rant, or not so quick little rant. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.